Welcome to my fans with TV. I'm joined by my Praika Mabanu Pumava.
Manuel Ngoben from Test Galaxy Mpumalanga.
Manuel Nkanyanga ma prediction wakusasa Putumka.
Obvious.
Come back.
Obvious.
Yenzakala.
3-1
for Mzansi.
Yeah. Mzansi ya winner po.
Siyabashala
A triple.
Yeah, no so baqe.
Yeah, mistake ya Williams. Wole one.
Yeah, Nova.
Otherwise basha triple.
Ngoba lama team nawo bewangafikanga uyabona.
Hayi no sir.
Sasa masina avoid nje ama mistakes so bamnandi.
They one mistake kuphela. Consider one kuphela.
Yeah.
But hayi sa 3-1.
Simnandi.
Simnandi.
Sokora abantu Putumtala sokora.
Police yokora po.
1.
Yeah.
Nkayisi.
Hayi police yokora maro assist fusa. I'm not sure who's assist abantu.
Nobody.
Yeah.
Bokhuluma ngo Mahupados.
Obvious.
Da, uyangizona. Ubongitshela ngayo.
Skomod. No, aqale iPirates. Combination of Pirates. Akube Pirates.
Yeah, itsho.
Sundowns akube Sundowns.
Ngiyakubamba.
Angamix no coach.
Manje
National team but the combination ya front. I confused. If afaka Murim,
sure.
Amfake na Mofokeng,
sure.
Amfake na Apolis,
sure.
Asimakopa. Uqedzile. Magasi sibe basingibani Maseko.
Yeah.
Angamfaka Force, angamfaka Renas but angamix kakhulu.
Yeah.
Combination from training
ngobi yaspa
from PSL
ngobi yaspa
yaspan
no va
so you can't change
chop and change
uyabona
no ngiyakuthola
so otherwise score sibekiwe
sure
3-1
lokunjani Mexico before ngiyivala njami
but Mexico but yabona but Mexico ku right
eziyakhipha le
hey ngibona ngathi ngise Cape Town but
ndoda hayi Monterrey khohlwa
Montero
hayi Monterrey khohlwa
Signora
buenos días
right
gracias
signora